searched for you in the morning breeze, in the echo of the rain that whispered to me. Every road I wandered brought me close to you. You were everything I never knew. And now my hands are trembling when I call your name, 'cause in your eyes I see the world aflame. My princess and my destiny, the reason that guides the path for me. When the world tried to break me down, it was you who turned it all around. My princess and my destiny, the fire that burns inside of me. If I fall, I will rise again, 'cause in your arms I know who I am. I have crossed through storms, through endless seas, but only in your laughter my soul found peace. Your words are fire, your voice is light, and with your touch I come alive. I don't fear the time, I don't fear the night. If your heart is walking by my side, my princess and my destiny, the reason that guides the path for me. When the world tried to break me down, it was you who turned it all around. My princess and my destiny, the fire that burns inside of me. If I fall, I will rise again, 'cause in your arms I know who I am. And though the world may spin out of control, there is no one who could take your role. You're my fire, everything I need, my tomorrow, my truth, my creed. My princess and my destiny, my reason, my strength, my melody. When I stumble, you help me fly.